Good morning, Mumbai, and hello world. We are at OSH 2022 event, hall number 4, Bombay Exhibition Center. And with me, Mr. Jayaraman sir is here. He's the national head of RAYCHEM RPG. So, Jayaraman sir, can you brief us what safety product are you displaying here?
Yeah, okay. So we are into electrical safety. So along with electrical safety, we also take care of mechanical safety. So these are two very important aspects. So what we have displayed here is electrical safety gloves. So this safety gloves, what you can see out here, it's basically made of latex rubber, and these are uh, for an electrical grade. So depending on what voltage you're going to handle, and these are live. That is, you can wear this and work online. So we have voltages right from 1.1 kV and all the way up to, if you can see here, we have a gloves which can go up to 33 kV. So you can wear this gloves and then live touch a 33 kV equipment and you won't get a shock. So this is purely taking care from the electrical perspective. And what is important in the gloves is the flexibility. So the material that is used in the gloves has to be highly flexible. It has to be comfortable. Then only a person will wear it and use it. So from the electrical safety, we also added a new feature, which is basically an arc flash. Because when you're dealing with electrical products, there is a tendency of arcing that can happen. So this has got the same electrical gloves, but with a calorific value. So it can take some heat, some spark or something which falls on your gloves. It prevents you from burns. So this is the electrical safety. Then this range of product is the composite gloves. So where if you see these gloves, we can just hold it for a minute. So, this is basically a composite gloves with a dual color, bicolor. So there are two colors. So the advantage of the two colors is if the outer layer gets damaged, the inner layer gets exposed, you come to know that the blouse is damaged. So these are composite gloves. It can also takes a bit of mechanical abuse. So this is a range of products. And one more thing that is very important is when you are doing some mechanical work, these are made of rubber, so there's a chance that it can get damaged. So we also give an outer leather gloves. So wherever your use is both electrical and mechanical, especially when you're taking out some trolley from a circuit breaker, etc. So we use both the products. So this is a complete range of safety products with respect to gloves. Then one more product what we have is the safety mats. So safety mat is a very important aspect. So these mats are basically on the ground. On the ground, if you go to any substation where all the control panels etc. are there, you will see these mats. So these mats are made about IEC specifications. So what is important in a mat? A couple of important features on a mat is one is it should not slip. So basically, it should be slip resistance. Okay. Right. Second thing is it should be fire retardant. In the event of a fire, it should not catch and propagate the fire. So fire retardancy is very important. It should have certain mechanical properties like it should be puncture resistant. So if you are working and some object falls down, it should not get damaged. So it should be fire retardant also. Then if you see, there are few more components what we have added in terms of zero halogen. Okay, in terms of reach is basically there are certain toxic chemicals that cannot be used while manufacturing a product. So we have incorporated all those while making the mats. Okay, so we have the mats right from 1.1 kV, that is class 0 mats, up to the class 4 mats, which is up to 36 kV. So we have a different grade of mats, and we are the only company. We also do the validation. Suppose you use the mat, and after some time you want to know whether the mat is still in a good condition. Similarly with the gloves, we also do the testing and validation of your product. So this is a complete range of the products what we are displaying. Yeah.
Right. So, tell me about the post-COVID response in safety industry for your side.
Yeah. So COVID basically, if you talk about it, was more from the health and the viral perspective. But that is a phase, that is a pandemic phase which has got over, which is, we're all thankful that, this come under control and life is back to normal. But human safety it's a everlasting. You cannot
Right. Right.
you cannot do away with it because what is very important is uh, when anybody is working, okay, uh, it is very important that we care for him. His life is more precious than any business entity or whatever. So, and especially safety products, what I advocate to people is when a workman is going to work on an equipment, he will trust you on the equipment what you give. I will tell him use a safety gloves and you can touch 33 kV. So the workman is trusting you and he's touching a live equipment. So what is very important is the quality of the product. Okay, the durability, the quality of the product has to be at the utmost standard that it doesn't compromise on the life of any person. So
Right.
safety, whether it is COVID or post-COVID, safety will be synonymous with the lives, with the with the human, I would say, human entity as a whole. So safety is important in all spheres of life, and we as an organization are very committed, and we give quality products so that it is very reliable and it saves the human life.
Thank you, Jayaraman sir. And can you brief our follower and subscriber our stall number and hall number so people can visit your stall and see live demonstration over here?
Yeah. So I do, request people to please come and visit our stall. The stall number is 028, is in hall number 4. So please do come. It will be an honor to host all of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Jayaraman sir, for your valuable time. Thank you very much.
Thanks. God bless.